Hey guys, this is Aditya Verma here and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about variable aperture. So all of us must have heard about the S9's great feature, variable aperture. The great ability to change the aperture depending on the lighting situation. The S9 is the first phone to have a dual aperture, a form of variable aperture. Depending on the lighting situations, it changes the amount of light that enters the lens. S9 has two apertures. F1.5, which is considered to be the widest aperture ever on a camera lens, and f2.4, which is fairly narrow. When in broad daylight, where there is plenty of light, the phone changes to f2.4 so that minimum light enters the lens, and when during the night time, when there is not enough light, it changes to f1.5 to allow more light to enter the lens. The resultant photos look more clear and more visible. Obviously, you can change the aperture manually by using the Pro mode, which is present in the camera app. The f1.5 aperture is not available in plenty of phones and helps to capture great, awesome photos in low light. I reckon it would beat the Pixel 2 in the low light test. The camera lens can sense the amount of light just like the human eye and works similarly. Our pupils, when exposed to more light, shrinks less light. When there is less light, like the night time, it expands and allows more light. Imagine getting blinded in the daylight and seeing almost nothing during the dark time. Our eye adapts to the function of that the pupil performs is the same function that the camera lens in the S9 functions. It can automatically change its aperture just like the human. S9 is not, however, the only phone with a variable aperture. It is the first phone with a dual aperture but not with the variable aperture. That title goes to the Nokia N86 with three apertures, f2.4, f3.2 and f4.8 apertures. However, as it was released in 2009, which is almost a decade ago, I reckon the S9 can take better photos than the Nokia N86 because of its much more greater processing power. The variable aperture system is not new in the field of cameras though. This feature has been in photography and videography since the time of 1800s. The variable aperture is present in DSLRs, as you may all know. However, it is very new in the field of phone cameras. So, what do you think about variable aperture? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more awesome videos. And it's out there signing off. Peace.